Let me show you the last part of the house, the bathroom. Oh, damn it, Justice! Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it!
I don't think we're in the right terminal, dude.
Could be their bikes.
Does it?
Look at this. I'm gonna focus over there, right? See, I'm focused over right there. Look at my face. Sharp as a tack, boy.
Damn.
Does it on its own.
Highlight them out. That in itself is
Yeah, this is a great little camera. Like, it does what the 1DX does, but it shoots super slow motion if you want it to.
Oh, it's so light too.
And it's very light.
Whoa.
Let me see.
That's light AF.
Yeah, and you're
Hey, I'm vlogging here. Hey, come on, look at me.
You're pretty.
The hardest thing about traveling is trying to keep up with your routines back at home. You know, the time you wake up, what you eat, where you eat, when you eat, exercise. But as long as you have the right mindset and a group of friends that are all down to be healthy, that will set you free.
Kind of gross.
You go for that upper body and he will fall over like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Yeah. Right? Upper body. Upper body. All right, Dan. He's all upper body. You gotta go downstairs. Use the legs. Attack his lower body, okay? You got this. This is it, man. The last round. Go, 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 go. Yeah!
I'm broken.
Oh, shit.
Everything that is food here is great. I like to eat the local stuff. So if you go to the little warungs, those are good. Like even the really cheap like street stuff. Yeah. Bakso is like a meatball soup kind of thing. It's delicious. I love it all. I'll eat 2 of anything. But somewhere with coffee and or fruit smoothies, that's my jam. Fruit smoothies. You know what? If anything's gonna happen, it's usually within the first 5 or 6 days. After that, your body acclimatizes and you're good.
Taking you to the finest breakfast establishment in all of Indonesia. Not just Bali, Indonesia. Get ready, boys. Get ready.
How many million people here?
You know what, Dan?
The best breakfast place is just down the road.
Get on the back, Dan.
Fun fact.
True backpacker. Put it in the front.
Funny thing about ATMs here, right? They never work sometimes. Sometimes they just decide to eat your card.
Dude, I was the biggest noob ever.
Really?
Day 4 in Bali. Take out a bunch of money, put the money in my pocket. Have a wonderful day. Oh wait, I left my card in the ATM. And then Rush and I went back. Card not there.
All right, first night that our friends are here, and by friends I mean the new additions, which are Dan Usher, followed by Usher, and Blake. The boys have been editing here all day.
The Riker's been drinking and cooking. Check this out.
We got delicious Balinese penne pasta. There is enough shiza in here to feed a family of 12, which today we're a family of 11.
And we have 11.
We have, boom, we got tomato, garlic, peppers, carrots, chicken, onions, penne pasta. Oh, and the pièce de résistance.
Pièce de résistance, garlic bread, no A lot of cooks in this kitchen. Okay, well, there's a lot of deliciousness happening. There's a lot of smoke in here. Editors are editing. Dan Usher is, looking for music, finding those hottest, latest tunes to rock out to. You've just been sitting here listening to music the whole time, haven't you? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Blake is too deep in the zone, aren't you?
Sorry.
Lappy tappy. How are you doing? How's your headache? You feeling better?
Yeah. Oh dear. I love it.
Now you're good. There's more, but wait, there's more. Look at how fast this girl is typing. I have never seen anyone type that fast. What's going on? Oh my God, holy it's on fire, it's burning up. Holy. What'd you get us this time, Mindy?
Perhaps potentially tickets to a festival?
Boom. Thank you for that.
Yo, welcome to the compound. Why don't I give you a tour around the place, shall we? Motorcycle parking, obviously. This part's so sick. Look at this. Stepping stones to get to the front door. And if you can't walk straight, you gon' get wet. I really like that aspect. Unnecessary, but sweet. All right, this is the first of 2 villas. We've got Charlie. How's it going over here, pal? Good. I'm giving everyone the tour. Say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. All right, why don't you just take a little peek outside. This is our backyard. Nice little pool. So we got 2 villas. They're basically both the same, more or less. Standard kitchen, nothing super exciting to see. Anything in the fridge? A whole bunch of stuff. I don't even know what that is. A little bit of whiskey left and milk and 1 egg. What more do you need, right? ¿Por qué no? Josh Laplap, working hard. What do you got going here?
I am editing right now.
Editing, that is so strange. How unlike you. Anyway, say hi to the people. We're doing a tour.
Hey!
That's the one, that's the one. Do you mind if I go outside here?
Oh, totally. Go ahead.
Go ahead, he says. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's nice. One thing you may notice about this pool is it's located next to the balcony. This is a huge plus for us, almost a must even. Let's quickly head over to the other one though. More motorcycles. I don't know who left the scooter here. Idiot. That's right. The rest of the gang. Hey, we're doing a tour. Say hi to the folks. What's up, everybody? What are you working on? What are you working on? Welcome home, ladies and gentlemen.
Currently looking at this party that we're hosting on April 13th. And we've got to bring some people in. We networking people.
April 13th. Be there. It is the exact same layout as the last one, except our fridge has more vegetables and fewer chips, fewer booze, apparently. But that's okay.
I think every one of our MTV or our Cribs episodes is we need more bintang.
We do, but however, we have food this time, which is nice. This is my room. I share it with Dan Usher right now. Keep my bed minty fresh, all sorts of goodness. Now we have an upstairs I forgot to show you in the last place. This is quite literally where the magic happens. Right here is the runway, foot plant, huge gap into the pool. I don't know if you saw this in the last vlog or a couple days ago, I think, but if not, Q2 sweet jumps. Boom. We can sit around here and get some stuff done, but to be honest, it's usually so bloody hot up here, and then we have aircon inside, so like we stay indoors. It's overcast right now, thank goodness, but it gets bloody hot here. All right, one more room I want to show you.
So here's the master bed and then the cutesy little cot beside it. Obviously beautiful access to the pool outside, as V likes. There is one more thing that I want to show you. This is the pièce de résistance here. It is a bathroom, half inside, half outside. Big old bowl for a tub. Check this out. Oh, damn it, Justice!
I was not expecting you guys.
Well, this is my favorite part. Might as well. Alright. Talking about.
Thank you for joining us on a little Cribs episode in the Nagisa Villas. If you like what you're seeing, if you're liking these daily vlogs, please hit subscribe above, leave a comment or any questions you have. Maybe tell us what to do tomorrow, maybe tell us to do the next day. Up to you, just leave a comment. Also, don't forget to like.
Also, jetsetterboss.com, we created a course on how to fucking make it traveling and making money. You may want to opt in on this because there's a lot of good information for you.